I want to share another new arrival with you. Let's have a look at it. If you can see, it says drum sets here. I certainly hope there's not drum sets in there. Okay. Just a second. Very well packed, actually. We don't usually get pieces this well packed from individuals. Really beautiful colors. The seller sold this to me as a saruk, but it's actually a gum carpet. Absolutely wonderful colors. Oh, look at that border. Gorgeous border. It seems to be in really good condition. A really lovely piece. It certainly needs some small care. It needs to be washed and cleaned, and then I'll show you too so you can see what it is like. It'll probably take about 2 weeks for this to be done.